Alright, so if you've had a Strongarm or a Disruptor or a Maverick where the barrel is not rotating appropriately, there's a few things that can cause that. One of the problems is this little guy here, right? What happens over time is that this little threaded hole in the end will strip out, or this little post will split, and then the mechanism isn't able to get a good grab, and it's all sloppy, and then it just doesn't turn reliably. Now what I've done here is I have gone to Hobby Lobby, still has some K&S brass tubing in my area, and a lot of the hobby stores have not been able to get the K&S stuff for quarantine. Bought one of these, excuse me. So it's a 3-pack. It had a few different sizes of brass tubing in it. It's the 5076 large brass tube set. And I don't know. I thought it had the sizes on the package, and I'm sure you can look it up. But the smallest of those tubes here, I used some sandpaper and a Dremel tool to shave the sides of that just a hair so I could get it started, and then just used a little tubing cutter to cut this tube, just a little cap, and it worked out such that the tubing cutter put a little crimp on the end. There it is. And that worked out really well because I was able to use that crimp, put some super glue down in here, and then tap on the top of that crimp, and that created a real nice flat and sort of like this metal cap. And then additionally I filled it in with a little bit of plastic material as well as kind of a wedge to get those threads. But anyway, little 2-minute video to help you restore your Strongarms and Mavericks and Disruptors.